Okay, this is the orange jalapeno update, August 18th. They've been planted for, I guess, a couple of weeks now. Not sure, I have to go back and check, but you see some are getting ready to flower there. Orange jalapeno. And then these are other pepper plants. Of course, the yellow peppers, the red peppers. These ones are the purple jalapeno. They're doing just pretty dandy here too. Purple jalapenos. These are the brown habaneros. This is the purple UFO. And this is purple UFO or purple jalapenos. I kind of got these ones mixed up, so I'm not sure what's what. Probably purple jalapenos. Maybe those are all purple UFOs. I guess we'll see. Time will tell. Here's our Tambaqi fish. We're all waiting for a snack. Oh, ready to be released in our pond soon. We'll put about 30 or so on this side, and 20 or so on the other side. Out of the hundreds of fry that I bought. We got some big guys here. I want to keep a pair here. I'm trying. That's a little one. There's some really big ones in here. There's another little one. And over here we've got a apple tree. Another apple tree here. And we've got plum, all kinds of plums. This is pear apple pear. More plums. And over here is pear. A big pear. This is a plum. This looks like an apple pear or another pear. I think it's another pear. And oh yeah, there's a somewhere over here. There's a ghost pepper. Yeah, there's the ghost pepper. It's coming along pretty fine. I transplanted it almost 2 weeks ago. And there's some ghost peppers here and Carolina Reapers that I haven't planted yet. And these ones are brown jalapenos. They're just doing just dandy as well. Hello. Hi, Chicky. Want scratchy scratchies? Scratchy scratchies. Scratchy scratchies. Scratchy scratchies. Scratchy scratchies. Ain't no being jealous. And over here's Carolina Reaper growing over here as well. And just some other red peppers here.